Presenting Boat Rockerz 205 Pro Wireless Neckband. It comes in 3 color variants of Fiery Red, Buoyant Blue and Rising Orange. Inside the box you will find the user manual, Rockerz 205 Pro, warranty card, additional earbuds and charging cable. The dimensions of the product are 16 cm by 2 cm by 2 cm and it weighs 30 grams. The wireless neckband comes equipped with low latency beast mode. The 10mm audio drivers give you an immersive audio experience no matter what genre of games or music that is playing. With the help of our ASAP charge technology, the earphones can fetch up an amazing 12 hours of playtime after just 10 minutes of charging. The wireless neckband offers a total playtime of up to 30 hours on one charge via Type-C interface at 60% volume. With the default NX technology meant for environmental noise cancellation, you can hear crystal clear voice calls. You can control playback, pick up calls and default voice assistant with ease via the built-in mic. It is marked with IPX5 rating, water and sweat resistance for a carefree listening time. With the feature of dual pairing and Bluetooth version 5.2, you can be rest assured to enjoy a purely wireless auditory bliss. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.